Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic door lock. Begin by confirming the lock problem and gathering tools like screwdrivers and trim tools. Remove the interior trim carefully and set fasteners aside in order. Disconnect the battery to avoid electrical shorts, then detach wiring and linkage from the old lock assembly and compare parts. Install the new lock, reconnect linkages, test function, and reassemble the door panel securely before final testing. Start by removing all visible screws and any trim covers on the door. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame, working from the bottom to the top. Find and release the plastic clips around the edges while supporting the panel with your other hand. Once loose, tilt the panel slightly to access and disconnect any electrical connectors, then set the panel aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches. With the panel removed, locate and unbolt the old lock assembly while noting its orientation for proper reinstallation. Carefully disconnect electrical connectors and the rod linkages, taking photos if needed to remember placement. Slide the old lock out, insert the replacement, and reconnect linkages and connectors in the same order. Bolt the new lock assembly firmly, but avoid over-tightening. Test the lock action with the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.